to another Minecraft video, and today we are going to be playing in Mark's World. And today we're going to be joined by BabyBill45, and yes, we're still doing Mark's World. We haven't done one in like a week or two, so yeah. Hey, don't get mad that we didn't do one in a week or two. It's okay. It's your fault. Okay. So yeah, we are here.
Mother Nature's.
Mother Nature. Wait, what? Who's Mother Nature? Do you know Mother Nature, BabyBill? Mother Nature. I mean, BabyBill, do you know who Mother Nature is? What? Mother Nature.
Mother Nature says hello.
What?
Markzilla7. Mother Nature says I am here to follow your nature.
What? Hey. Don't let her inside. Go! BabyBill, come inside! What's happening? Lock the doors. What's happening, BabyBill?
BabyBubba45 says I don't know. Markzilla7. BabyBubba45 says I don't know.
Hello? Sorry.
Mother Nature says I'm friendly.
Okay. Interesting. Very interesting.
Mother Nature says stop, I'm nice.
I'm confused. What's happening?
BabyBubba45 says leave. Mother Nature says follow me. BabyBubba45 says should we?
I guess. I wonder what to do. Where are we going? Oh, I thought we were going to stop here. Very interesting. Wait, one sec, guys. I'm just doing something. Okay, let's go. To where? Okay, I see the game attacks. trap? Is this where you live? Mother Nature?
Mother Nature says yes. Mother Nature says I'm lonely.
Aw, it's okay. Where do you sleep?
Mother Nature says but with flowers I'm powerful.
Huh? Where do you sleep?
Mother Nature says I sleep here, follow.
You lay on the dirt? Confused. Oh, she put her bed down. How are we gonna get back up?
Mother Nature says yeah. Respawn Point said. You can only sleep at night. Mother Nature says I love getting up.
Where do you love getting up? No, Baby Bill! Don't put them there!
Baby Bubba 45 says why?
We need to keep on exploring.
Mother Nature says
Do you know anyone except us?
Mother Nature says I jump.
Wait, what? That's someone you know? You know I jump? Wait. You know I jump?
Mother Nature says but I made a difference and we can't get up.
Do you know anyone except us?
Markzilla 17 says do you know anyone? Markzilla 7. Mother Nature says one person.
What's their name?
Mother Nature says
Flowerbed? Who's Flowerbed?
Mother Nature says my sister.
Where is she?
Mother Nature says she's in Flower World.
Oh. Do you know what Flower World is? Say yes, okay.
Mother Nature says yes.
Can you take it? Can you bring us there?
Mother Nature says I've been.
Say, right, not right now. Wait, can you bring us there?
Mother Nature says not right now.
Snot? It's not right now? Wait.
Mother Nature says not.
Oh. How are we gonna get up? I have no blocks. Do you guys have any blocks? Say no. Say you don't have any blocks.
Baby Bubba 45 says I didn't bring any.
Oh. Do you have
Mother
any?
Nature says same.
Oh. What's going on? Do you have a mother or a father? I see a block.
Baby Bubba 45 says what?
That almost hurt me.
Mother Nature says but my home can't be broken.
Do you have
Markzilla said, Mother Nature says make it home I guess. Mother Nature says no, I was born by a flower.
what? You were born by a flower. What? Did you guys ever meet anyone like born by a flower? I know I haven't.
Mother Nature says yeah, don't make front of me.
Front? Don't get in front of you. I'll get behind you then. Hey! Ow! So you said you were friendly. Why'd you punch me?
Mother Nature says stop.
What did I do?
Mother Nature says you're laughing.
You didn't mean to.
Mother Nature says because I was born by a flower. Markzilla.
Ah! Oh.
Mother Nature says also my sister St. Mother Nature says stop.
Fine.
Markzilla. Baby Bubba 45 says you made her sad. Markzilla 17 says SHHHHHH. Baby Bubba 45 says
We need
Mother Nature says ZZZZZZZZZZ.
we need to get out here while she's asleep. Do you know any way?
Baby Bubba
No,
45
that's my
says
bed.
no, all I brought was bed.
What?
Mother Nature says what?
Ah. Go back to bed. Go back to bed. Go back to bed. Actually, she's supposed to be sleeping.
Mother Nature says no, you will break my home.
I opened it. Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed today's
Mother
video.
Nature says fine, you'll read flower under my covers.
Huh? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see all you guys in the next one.